Hi, I'm Lee Rose, Site Supervisor for SDM Steel. Welcome to Fakenham. We're working on a school for special needs children. The building is 2,900 metres square just for the steel work. We've undertaken all the steel on this project using our own cherry pickers. We're using Cronin cranes for this. Had a bit of a dreary start this morning with the weather, but the lads are getting on with it. But as you can see now, the sun's shining and a lovely day. Yeah, so today we're going to be throwing up the columns and the infill beams for what's got to be the first and second year classrooms of the school. The team has been fantastic on this project. I couldn't ask for a better one, to be fair. Everyone's been fantastic, even in the RG Carter side of things as well. Actually, very helpful. Oh, it's a lovely feeling to get at the end of the job for building something like this, you know, especially for the community as well. It's especially at the end of it when you look back and think, yeah, it's been a really good achievement for us. Started the project in early March, and it's going to be completed at the end of March. The overall project will be finished by the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the socials for SDM, and I'd just like to say from my point of view and SDM, it's been a pleasure to work on a project like this for the community.